Hey everybody, Sean Price here with Precision Mortgage, mortgage broker, Glendale, Arizona. I'm excited today to announce the launch of my home savings program, something I've been working on for quite some time. The program is actually built and designed to save you, my clients, friends, family, and business partners anywhere from 10 to 30% on your normal household and personal spending. Anywhere from painting and plumbing to cabinets and maybe even a chiropractor, maybe even you want to get your nails done. Anything you need at all, just make sure you contact me and I'll get you in touch with one of my local vendors who have committed to both priority service and discounts for you as being a part of this program. This month I'm recommending Eric Bailey with Sunseekers Pool Care. He's offering $15 off the first service call to you as a new client. If you're one of Eric's satisfied customers already, make sure you forward this on to your friends, family, and business partners where they can take advantage of this great deal as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if I can ever do anything for you. Thank you and God bless.